Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn with Dora channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make $100 to $200 in your YouTube channel every day, depending on the kind of niche you guys are into. So grab your seat, let's get started in today's topic. So the number one, without wasting much of your time, the number one on my list is, I know you guys are going to say, I knew that. So the number one on my list is YouTube channel. So there is no way you are going to make money on YouTube when you don't have your own YouTube channel that you are creating content on. So when you have the number, that is the reason why that YouTube channel is the first on my list. So how you are going to ask me, how am I going to make money on YouTube? So my sister, my brother, for you to make money on YouTube, you need to get your YouTube channel monetized. When your YouTube channel is monetized, if you post a video, you can earn money from your ADS. You can also get money from your brand deals, from your affiliate links. That is some few ways you can make money from it. And to remind you, when you post a video and that video goes viral, let me say the video get like 10,000 views or 5,000 views, just depending on the kind of niche you are into. Or when the video goes viral and get like 100,000 views, you can make like $100 or even much more than that in a day. Because I have a YouTube channel that is monetized. Mainly that one is just for fashion style inspiration. So there is one of my video that went viral. That video gets 100,000 views and still counting, because people are still watching the video. That video generated $100 and something, and the amount is still going up. People, because as far as people are watching the video, you are still going to be getting another money on top of it. So guys, that is the reason why you need to start this YouTube channel of it. I know it's not easy, but when you start posting consistently and your YouTube monetize your account, guys, you are going to enjoy it. You are going to enjoy that benefit. So the number one is YouTube channel. You earn from ADS, brand deals, and affiliate link on your YouTube. So the number two on my list is affiliate marketing. You guys know what is affiliate marketing. For you to earn money from it, you need to promote their product. So to promote their products, that is the only way for you to earn commission. And you know all those kind of a thing is you earn in dollar. It's not naira. And you guys know that the dollar is much more good than our naira. But for now that the Nigeria, the country is doing it somehow. So, but we still prefer it like that. So the number two is that affiliate marketing. You promote their products and earn commission from it. And the places that you can promote and the app that you can promote their products. Sorry guys, the number one app you can promote their products is Jumia affiliate marketing. You can use that one, or you can use Amazon associate. People, I see people, they normally use that Amazon. So if you don't want to use Jumia, you can use Amazon, or you can use Clickbank. You just have to do your research very well before starting any of it, so that you will know the one that is good for you to use. So if, for example, that on that affiliate marketing, you promote a product and sell it. Let me say, for example, that product, they are selling it for let me say they are selling it for $40, and you sell the product, you will know that your own commission is going to be $20. Okay, for example, you sell like to 10 people during within the day. Guys, you will make a lot of money from it. Even if it's 5 people that you can be able to sell within the day, you will still make a lot of money from it. You calculate it, complete 1 month. your life is going to change. So you just have to start any of these. You can do affiliate marketing. Is good. People that are doing it can testify to it. So the number 3 on my list is selling of digital products. Sorry guys. Selling of digital products. So guys, sorry for the interruption. The number 3 on my list, I hope it's number 3. The number 3 on my list is selling of digital products. You can create and sell your e-books, your online courses, or your tablets and cards. You can create and sell it online, and you will make money from it. So you can use Valve, or you can also use Paystack. You guys know Paystack. So you can use that app for it. So, and you will make a lot of income from there. So the number 4 on my list is freelancing. You guys can say that you know about freelancing. Freelancing is a platform that you can offer digital services like Valve and Upwork. You can use app like Upwork to do the thing if you are good. And the services that you can offer to them is, if you are good at video editing, you know that you edit video perfectly well, guys, you will make a lot of money from there. You edit video for them, they will pay you. And if you are good at designing thumbnails, good quality thumbnails, high ranking thumbnails, you will make money from it, guys. If you are good at these two things I have already mentioned, thumbnails and video editing, you are good at that. And again, if you can do a social media management, you can also get work from this Upwork and Valve. And we have other apps that you can apply this kind of job for, and you will get a lot of payment from it as far as you know what you are doing. We have many things, and if you are also good at graphic design, that place is good for you. You can apply for work there, and if you get accepted, guys, you will make a lot of income. So you just have to create your own time and answer them anytime they need your services. So the number 5 on my list is drop shipping. Guys, I have heard a lot about this drop shipping, how people are cashing out from it, how people are making a lot of income from it by selling of products online without even keeping stock. If you know how to do it, all about these things I'm mentioning is that if you are interested in any of it, you just have to do your research very well and know where and how to begin from it, and you make your money than just sitting at one place and complaining up and down that you did not see work, you did not do this and that, you did not have money. You just have to start from somewhere. At least a little amount is okay than begging people to give you money for you to use and feed. I know it's not easy, but you just have to keep on pushing. So guys, the number 7 on my list is going to wow you guys. You will be surprised on that number 7 that is going to make you a lot of income in this 2026. So stay tuned and enjoy this video to the end. If you have not subscribed to my channel, do well to subscribe to Learn with Dollar channel. Like this video, comment and share to your friends. So guys, what I'm saying is this drop shipping. If you can do that, you sell their product online without even keeping any stock or without even wasting much of your time. And the apps, sorry guys, see me one the apps you can use to sell their product is, you can use your Facebook, you can use Instagram, you can use WhatsApp, and you can also use the same YouTube. You can use it to do that, and you can also use Shopify store to sell their products for them and get paid. So the number 6 on my list is Facebook monetization. If you have a Facebook channel and you are posting there, if you get monetized, guys, you will see that people are making money every day by day on that Facebook. You just have to get money. If you are posting original content, and you definitely get monetized, because all I know is that you will get monetized one day. As far as you are posting original content of yourself, you are going to make a lot of money from it, from their ADS, from brand deals, just depending of that is the reason why you need to post your original content, so that when you get monetized, you can get all these things, brand deals and other stuff. As far as people are getting value on what you are putting out there, as far as people are learning from it, one day is one day. People will patronize you. People will, if what you are teaching is how to sell, or what I say teaching, if you are teaching online, or if you are teaching online, you can get money from like you can do a in-book and sell online, and people will buy it, as far as what they are sharing with them is so important and valuable. So the number 7 on my list is online coaching. You just have to teach what you know. Online coaching is very good. People are making. So guys, the last one that is online coaching. Guys, online coaching is so good, in which that one is not difficult much, because what you're coming online to do is to teach what you know. If you are good at, maybe what you are doing is catering, you can teach people how to cook jollof rice, how to make a perfect Nigerian coconut rice, how to make different orishirishi, and people will join your membership. Before people will join your membership, they will have to pay, so you will make money from there. You can also write in books and sell, like books on how to cook many delicious food, and sell it, and people will buy. And again, if you are a hairstylist, and you are thinking on what to do online, you can start from there. If you are making hair for your clients, you video it and post, and when you are monetized, people will join your membership and pay you before they will learn one or two things from your channel on some of your videos that you want to post. You can also teach people, like if you are good at, maybe you are a teacher at school, you can also create time and just buy this big board and teach online also. There are many niches that you can do, and the one thing I will advise you is this: if anytime you are picking a niche, pick something that you know that you can be able to give out perfectly well. I know that you will say you are waiting for you to be perfect. Guys, even me sef, I'm not perfect. I'm just trying. I know that one day everybody is not going to like what I'm posting, but all I know is that some people will love it. That is the main thing. And if you are waiting for everybody to like you, to like what you are putting out there, my sister, my brother, you will wait till eternity, and nobody will come and help you. You just have to start from somewhere and start posting. If you know what you are good at, if you know what you can do very well without shaking, you do it. So that is the online coaching that is number 7 on my list. So guys, thank you very much once again for today. I hope you guys learn one or two things from me. Don't forget to comment the one you are definitely going to try in this 2026 and make money from it. Thank you very much once again, guys.